$40,000 in just one day dropshipping with no money. Here's exactly how I was able to do that. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Saeed, and in this video I will be talking about how I was able to make just shy of $40,000 in under 24 hours dropshipping without having to spend any money on advertising. So basically, this was around late December, and I was going to trucking school at the time. Now I also had just landed a job at AT&T, and I was scheduled to begin around January 17th, which was about a month from when all this happened. Now I remember at the time I was dreading the day of having to go to work. I only signed up for trucking school because I wanted to make as much money as I possibly can so that I can then invest into real estate. I did not want to be a truck driver, so dropshipping was my last chance at having financial freedom. Alright, so the way that I had got started was through a friend of mine a few months prior. He had just made around $50,000 dropshipping within a span of a month. When I heard that, I was completely pulled in full time. So I knew what dropshipping was at the time. I actually first began dropshipping back in 2020. Watching videos from Beheza and the Ecom King. So I lost money at first running stupid Facebook ads. So I pretty much got discouraged until I discovered organic. I was completely fascinated with the idea of being able to make so much money without having to spend anything. So naturally I got pulled in and spent a few weeks learning all about TikTok. I saw regular people posting product videos on TikTok getting millions of views and knew immediately that I had to hop in. The concept was so simple. All you had to do was simply find a product on TikTok, then go to Shopify and set up a monthly free trial. Then you create your store and begin uploading content of the product on TikTok until you go viral and bring those TikTok customers into your store and pray that one of them actually purchases off of you. So you literally do not have to spend any money besides ordering the product to test from Amazon. Shopify does offer a 2-week free trial, which is plenty of time for you to get started. Now TikTok has lots of people selling products and posting content. It can be quite difficult figuring out which products to sell and which products are saturated. So I'm going to explain how I was able to find products that had the potential to make me $40,000 just like this day. Now the first way to find products you guys have already heard of plenty of times from me, but the second way you guys may not have. So you simply search up the hashtag TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds, and to get a better list of the products you want to look for, you want to make sure to filter out the last 30 days. You don't want old saturated products appearing that have been uploaded over a year ago. So after scrolling for a few minutes, I found this viral volcano humidifier. Now this video got 10 million views, and right now it is winter, so a lot of people will definitely be wanting this for their living rooms. So I can see why this video went viral and why people might want it. I mean, humidifiers have always been very popular on TikTok, so this isn't nothing new. I'm not too surprised that this one did very good. Now an issue with this product is that since it has gone so viral, plenty of dropshippers have already rushed and began selling this product, which is when competition becomes very high and makes the product too saturated. Now the second way of finding products that aren't too saturated is to simply go to AliExpress and try to find a product that is similar to this but looks a bit different. So now you can literally take that product from AliExpress, bring it onto TikTok, and be the first person to go viral and capture the sales. This is literally what me and my partners did for our main brand. We simply search up other products similar to ours and add it to our store. Okay, so after you have found your product, you're not done yet. You need to then build your store and then order the product to your house so that you can begin advertising on TikTok. Now there's a lot of things that occur in this process, so I'll be taking you guys exactly through the steps that I did. So after I found my winning product, I spent a few days trying to make my website look as good as possible. I know some of you guys take weeks, if not months, building a professional looking Shopify store, but I'm here to tell you guys that you do not need to make the best looking Shopify store. All I do when building my Shopify store is simply look at my competitors and then I copy things that I like, but change it up to where mine looks unique and doesn't look like a replica. I take my competitors' websites and make it better with my style. Now I do this because it's pointless spending days building a store just for it to fail. So I'd rather you instead spend that time making good creatives, and then once your product begins making you money, then you can spend all the time you want building the perfect store. You can even hire someone to build it for you on Fiverr if you choose to do so. Now moving on to actually advertising the product, which is actually my favorite part, but the most hardest and most important part of this entire process. Now I know a lot of beginners that think that they can just order their product to their house and begin making a bunch of content on that product and begin uploading to TikTok, hoping that that's gonna make them go viral, but that is just not the case at all. TikTok dropshipping is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to be consistent. You have to post 3 to 5 times a day. You need good lighting and overall a fun, exciting video to go viral. You need to use trending sounds and hashtags and keep up with trends. You also want to utilize Instagram Reels and upload at least 3 to 5 times a day by simply re-uploading your videos from TikTok onto Reels. You want to make sure to recreate the most viral videos in whatever product you choose to do to increase the chances of you going viral. Now another great way of marketing on TikTok is by influencers. I know everyone sleeps on this method, but it is such a great way to get lots of traffic, and TikTok can be a very, very cheap place in comparison to Instagram. Now the way to do this is to search up the hashtag to whatever you're selling and look for a decent sized influencer that gets on average around 50,000 views per video. The influencer has to match your niche for this to work, and simply reach out to them. Now you want to look for influencers that have about 40 to 150,000 followers, and you want to reach hundreds of them to increase your odds of getting a response. Now, all you have to do is simply ask them if they are willing to upload your videos in exchange for a free product. Most of the times, if you have a product that is in their niche, they might deal with you and give you that free promo for an exchange for the product that you have. Now, you do not need to reach influencers if you really want to dropship with no money, but it can be a great way to increase your sales. And even if you do this, I don't see you spending more than $20 to $100. If you need the money, hop on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp and sell whatever stuff you have laying around. I know you guys have some stuff laying around, or you could even couch surf, Ryan Panetta style. I am sure you can save up $100. Now, after they respond, you literally show them the most viral video and have them recreate it exactly the same way. And then you ask them to place your link on their bio for a few days. If you want to build a good relationship and potentially work with them again, you can give them an affiliate link for every single sale that you get and make them really want to work with you next time. Pretty much, guys, that's how I was able to make $40,000 in one day. I messaged a ton of influencers and a few of them got back to me. I made a few $1,000s from that influencer, but the majority of the sales came from 4 of my videos going viral all at once. It was absolutely insane. Now, I was uploading consistently 5 times a day. One of my videos first went viral, and unlike most people, I did not stop uploading. I don't know why, but I noticed a lot of people, when they go viral, they stop uploading for whatever reason. I did exactly the opposite and uploaded a lot more. I don't want you guys getting lazy whenever you actually do get your winning break by not uploading. I see this happen time and time again. You do not want to miss a single day not uploading, because this will drastically hurt your chances of going viral and throw the algorithm completely off. But anyways, once that happened, I had my supplier fulfill all of my orders and ship them out. If you guys have any questions, put them down below or follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a sub. I wish you guys all the happiness and success. Peace.